Welcome to the Wondershare Filmora 1-2 date video. Filmora has added many new AI features, including the AI video thumbnail. If you want to export your video with the same settings as before, just use the Ctrl+E shortcut key to access the export settings. Here, you can also change the thumbnail for your video. Inside the export settings, you'll see the current AI-created thumbnail. You have two main options for changing it, from your video or from your local files. Let's first try the From Local option. Click on Add Picture to set as thumbnail to select your own custom thumbnail. Once you've added it, simply set it as your new thumbnail. When you export your video, the AI will use this new thumbnail and also create a JPEG copy for use as a YouTube thumbnail. Now let's try the From Video option, which is similar to the feature you may have seen on Facebook. Simply scroll through your video and select a good freeze frame to use as your thumbnail. Click Set as Thumbnail and you're done. Overall, Wondershare Filmora is becoming more and more user-friendly with each update. If you haven't upgraded to Filmora 12 yet, now's the time to do it and enjoy these latest features. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.